Welcome one and all to the Rondinelli Project. I'm Mr. R. This is your 2-minute fishing tip. I'm going to share my 3 favorite topwater lures. Put that clock up. Here we go. First on the list is the JitterBug. That giant lip plate on the front causes the bait to wobble back and forth. Great action, attracts the bass from a long ways away. And this gives you a up-close look of that giant lip that causes it to wobble in the water. It makes a great sound like an animal swimming. It has one of the neatest actions of a topwater bait. And this shows you the difference in size between the 2 JitterBugs. This is a floating popper bait. Its purpose is to mimic a frog. I use this when the lake is like glass in the evening, and that unique shape is what pushes the water in front of it when you pop that along, bringing it back towards you. It creates a lot of commotion in the water, and that's what the fish love. And as you can see, it's not a very big bait, but it is effective. So you want to give this a try. It's by Heddon, Heddon. And this is by far one of my most favorite topwaters. This is the tiny Torpedo and the teeny Torpedo. They make a bigger size, I believe, but I just used these. It has a propeller on the back that whirls and whizzes the water, and it's great if you want to film a bass strike. There's that spinner blade on the back that creates the whirl sound in the water. It creates a V behind it like a boat, and a big eye on there. And it mimics a frog, I guess, but it's a great topwater lure. And there's a side-by-side comparison showing you the scale of these 2 topwater lures. Everybody has their favorite lures when it comes to bass fishing. Drop me a comment. What's your favorite topwater lure? Give these topwater lures a try. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. They're probably already in your tackle box. And they're best used when the lake is calm and looks like glass. Like and subscribe if you're into this channel. I'm Mr. R. Until next time, I hope your fish is bigger than mine. We are gone.